Chuk TV. Please subscribe.
Wow!
Wow! Did you know Papa can do many important jobs every day?
Sometimes Papa is a driver, a teacher, a chef, a gardener, and a helper.
A driver takes us safely wherever we need to go.
First, Papa becomes a driver. Then, Papa becomes a teacher.
A teacher helps us learn new things every day.
Now Papa becomes a chef.
A chef makes tasty and healthy food.
Time to plant the magic seeds.
Yay!
Good job watering.
Look, Papa, it's growing. Sometimes Papa is a helper.
A helper makes things easier for others.
Thank you, Papa, for everything you do.
Chuk TV. Please subscribe.
Good morning, children!
Good morning, Mom.
Today we will learn about community helpers.
Who is he? Policeman. How do policemen help us?
Police officers keep us safe, protect our neighborhoods, and help us when we are lost or in trouble.
Good job, everyone. Let's hear it for them. Clap, clap, clap.
Firefighters. Firefighters, strong and brave, helping people every day. Our next helper is a doctor. Doctors help us when we are sick. Teachers help children learn.
We love our teacher.
Sweepers keep our surroundings clean.
Clean and neat. Clean and neat. Clean and neat. Clean and neat.
The postman brings our letters.
Postman brings the mail today.
Let's revise this topic with a rhyme.
Yay!
Let's all say, helpers help us every day. In our town we see each day, helpers working on their way. Helpers, helpers, here they go, helping people, don't you know? Big or small, they stand so tall. Community helpers help us all. Police officer, brave and strong, keeps us safe all day long. Firefighter rushes fast, puts out fire, saves the day at last. Helpers, helpers, here they go, helping people, don't you know? Big or small, they stand so tall. Community helpers help us all. Doctor helps when we feel bad, makes us healthy, happy, glad. Teacher says, come, let's learn. Reading, writing, our turn. Sweeper cleans the road so neat, no more dust on every street. Postman brings our letters too, from far away, just for you. Helpers, helpers, shout it loud, they make a whole town feel so proud. Clap your hands and sing along, helpers make our world so strong. Thank you, helpers, one and all. You help our town, you help us all.
All community helpers help us every day.
Thank you, helpers, for helping us every day.